Dear students, Assalamu alaikum and welcome to Noor School and College Mansehra. Dear student, as there was audio problem in last lecture, so today I am going to record the same lecture again for you people. Dear students, as you know that we have already discussed all the parts of speech except articles or determiners. Dear student, today we are going to discuss articles or determiners. Dear student, look at the following examples. Example number 1. I went to a college. I went to a college. In this sentence, I is a pronoun. Went is second form of the verb go. To is a preposition, college is a noun. The remaining word is an article. The word a is an article or determiner. Look at the second example. I went to the college. Here the is article. Number 3. I saw an elephant. An is an article. Dear student, look. Here it is not making something definite. It is not making something means it is not making the college definite. Here we have a definite thing, college, because the is telling us that we are talking about a definite thing. I saw an elephant. Again, we are not talking about a definite thing. Dear student, now we come to the point that in these sentences, the, an, these are articles. So what is an article? Article is a part of speech which makes a noun or an idea definite, means proper, or indefinite, means common. So it is the article which makes a noun or an idea definite or indefinite. Okay, so definite and indefinite, we have two kinds of articles, definite articles and indefinite articles. Now we have come to the point that we have two kinds of articles. Number 1, indefinite articles, and number 2, definite articles. A and an are actually indefinite articles. A and an are actually indefinite articles. Now a question arises here that where do we use a and where do we use an? So with all the words which start from vowel sound, which start from the vowel sound. Vowel sound means in Urdu you know that alif mad a, alif ain. So the sounds which are which are related to hamza. So these are actually vowel sounds, and we have total 5 vowels: a, e, I, o, u. All other are consonants. So when we have a word with vowel sound, we use an, and when we have a word with consonant sound, we use a. Like we can say that a mango, because mango starts from a consonant sound, but we use an elephant because elephant starts with a vowel sound, a. Okay, similarly sometimes we don't have vowels but we have vowel sounds, like an honest man. Here we don't have vowel. From these 5 alphabets, here we don't have anyone, but it is producing vowel sound, honest, honest man, honest man. So we use an because we have vowel sound. Similarly, another question arises. So we have a and an as indefinite articles, and I have told you people that where do we use a and where do we use an. Now we come to the point. Definite article means second kind of articles, the. Again we have a problem that where do we use the and where do we use the. So when we have vowel sound, we use the, and when we have consonant sound we use the. Like we can say that the mango, but the elephant, the apple. Okay, technically we have the and the. We use the with vowel sounds and we use the with consonant sound. Okay, so we have two kinds, indefinite articles and definite articles. What are indefinite articles? A and an are indefinite articles and the is definite article. A and an are indefinite articles and the is definite article. Now we come to another point, that what are the uses of these indefinite and definite articles, that where do we use definite articles and where do we use indefinite articles. So first we come to the point that where do we use indefinite articles, means a and an. So where do we use indefinite articles? We use indefinite articles before singular countable nouns. Where is their first use? Before singular countable noun, like a pen. Singular, a pen is singular, and similarly it is a countable noun. A pencil, singular as well as countable. A book, singular as well as countable. An umbrella, singular as well as countable. So we use a before or indefinite articles before singular countable nouns. Second use, before single noun or before singular nouns to represent the whole class. Before such nouns in which we represent the whole class, like a lion, a horse, a dog. For example, I say a lion is a brave animal. It means all the lions are brave animals. It is showing a whole class. So before single noun or before singular noun to represent the whole class. Here a lion means all the lions. A horse, all the horse. A dog, all the dogs. Okay. Use number 3. Before proper noun to make it common noun. Before proper noun to make it common noun. Like we know that Shakespeare, a dramatist of the Romantic age, as we have ages in literature. So Shakespeare is a proper noun. Now look here. We use, for example, a Shakespeare of India. A Shakespeare of India. Here we have made it common. We can say that a Shakespeare of Pakistan. Now we have made it common. But how we have made it common? By using indefinite article before proper noun. So we have used an indefinite article before this proper noun, so we have made it common noun. A Shakespeare of India, a Milton of Pakistan. Okay, Milton is a poet. So we have made it common noun from the proper noun. Now we come towards the uses of definite article the. Where do we use this definite article? Use number 1. Before the words denoting time. Before the words denoting time, like it is the beginning of the day. The beginning, denoting time, the day, telling us about the time. So the beginning of the day, before the words denoting time. So both the words are denoting time. So we have used definite article before such words. Example, use number 2. Before singular noun representing the whole class. Before singular noun representing the whole class. The cat is a wise animal. The cat is a wise animal. So it means the cat is representing the whole class of cats. That all the cats are wise animals. Use number 3. Noun which has already been mentioned. A noun which has already been mentioned. For example, I bought a book. Here we have mentioned noun book. The book I bought was about science. So now the noun which was already mentioned, now I am trying to emphasize the noun again. So I have used definite articles before that very noun. Okay. So we have used definite articles before a noun which is already mentioned. We have used definite article before a noun which is already mentioned. Okay. Use number 4. Before holy or famous books, which are certain that these are famous books, these are holy books, like the Holy Quran, the Bible. Okay. So we use definite article the before such holy books are famous books. Use number 5. Before unique objects in the nature. The sun is a unique object. Okay. The sky, a unique object. We can only see. So it is something very unique. It is something very unique. The star, the stars, the moon. So these are unique things. So we use definite article before such unique things. Before superlative adjectives, as we have already studied about adjectives and degrees of adjective, we have 3 degrees of adjective: base degree or positive degree, comparative degree or superlative degree. So we use definite article the before superlative adjectives. So it is a superlative adjective: tallest, tall, taller, tallest. So it is superlative degree of the adjective tall. Okay, so we have used definite articles before superlative degree of adjective: the tallest boy. Okay. Next use: before nationalities, group of people, tribes, etc. Like group of people, Muslims. So the Muslims. Like nationality, the Pakistani, the Indian, the West Indian, the Sri Lankan. Okay. Again, group of people, the farmers, tribes, the Pathans, the Awans, the Kashmiris. Okay. These are tribes. Kashmiri is actually nationality. Okay. But it is also a tribe. Number 8. Words showing ranks, titles, etc. The Duke. Duke means Nawab. The Duke. So it is showing a rank. The Professor of English. A title, a rank. The Professor of English. The King, a rank. So we use the before ranks are titles. Okay. Next. Before countries in the names of which there are words such as United, Republic, etc. Dear students, do remember, in world we have 2 kinds of countries. Countries which are only one state, like Pakistan and all other except a few. If you look at America, America is a country having more than 50 states. Having more than 50 states. So before such countries, before the names of such countries, we use definite article the, like the United States, the Republic of China. Okay, we cannot say the Pakistan because it is only one state. But the country which have a number of states, so we use the before such countries: the United States, the Republic of China. Okay, next, before directions like before east, west, north or south. We live in the north of Pakistan. We live in the north of Pakistan. I have used the before direction. We live in the north of Pakistan. They live in the east of Pakistan. They live in the south of India. So we use the before such directions. Dear students, these were uses of definite and indefinite articles. So what we have learned today? Today we learned concept of articles. That article is a part of speech which we use before a noun or an idea to make it definite or indefinite. Okay. Then we discussed about indefinite articles, that what is indefinite article. We have two indefinite articles, a and an. So wherever we have a word with vowel sound, we use an, and wherever we have a word with consonant sound, we use a. Okay. So we have discussed three uses of indefinite article, and these three uses were that we use it before singular countable nouns, we use it before noun to represent the whole class, before proper noun to make it common noun. Okay. Then we discussed definite article, the. We discussed that where do we use the and where do we use the. So we use the with the words which start from consonant sound, and we use the with the words which start from vowel sounds. Okay. The next thing which we discussed was that what are the uses of definite article. So we discussed 10 uses of definite article. Number 1, before the words denoting time. Similarly, singular noun representing the whole class, noun which has already been mentioned, before holy, famous books, before unique objects in nature, before superlative adjectives, before nationalities, group of people, tribes, etc., words showing ranks, titles, etc., before countries in the names of which there are words such as United, Republic, etc., before directions like east, west, north, south. So these were uses of definite articles. Dear students, I hope you people are clear with it. If you have any problem, you can contact me on my WhatsApp number. You can ask in comment. I'll guide you in time. Now, what's your homework today? Make 3 sentences of each kind of article. Make 3 sentences of each kind of article. And I mean 3 sentences with a, 3 sentences with an, and 3 sentences with the. Okay. So this is all about your today's lecture. I hope you people are clear with these articles. If you feel any problem, you can contact me. Thank you so much. Thank you for watching. And one thing more, you need to do your homework on your NEET notebooks. Okay, on your NEET notebooks, on your NEET notebooks. Thank you so much.